Hi beauties, my name is Asia, your favorite homegirl, and here at KCB, I just want to encourage every a mom that girl, you can be your own boss in this YouTube world. So let's just jump into the video. Okay, after I drop off my kids, I just get some coffee and then I come home and clean. So what I clean is the kitchen, the living room, the bathroom, and the steps going into the basement because, whatever. But sometimes I'll be finessing a girl. All I care about is what the client may see, okay? And after I'm done cleaning up those things, then I'll come downstairs in the basement to clean up everything. So I have a cart. I work off the cart and then off the table, right? So I'll clean off the cart because sometimes when I do YouTube videos, I just leave everything a mess. So, I got to clean that up. And then after I'm done cleaning off the cart so it doesn't look messy, I will come and clean off the table. And, you got to use your hospital grade disinfectant, which will be my citrus 2, wipe it off, just make everything look presentable basically and clean. You you don't want to have your space look a mess when you have your client come. Now, today I had basically on that day a client canceled on me, so I just used my husband. But typically when a client comes, I literally want my client sitting in my chair when she sees me pull out the implements from the barber side. Like, I want her to know that everything is clean. Okay, so after I do that, I get a what are those things called? The bands, the sanding band. And I get a clean one and I pull the old one off and then put the new one on in front of her so she'll know, like, everything is clean. You saw, like, I'm doing it right now. Like, no girl. And then once I do that, I turn the drill on, and I don't know, I just like to get the edges off so I don't cut nobody. I don't know if it's necessary, but that's just what I do, okay? We gotta get the hand sanitizer. Outside of Corona, we go, okay? So I'm pushing at the cuticles. Now on this particular one, this is my husband, so obviously the nails aren't going to stay. So I got this peel off stuff from Amazon. That bad boy works. Okay, so right now all I'm going to do is just push back the cuticle, and then but for you still will push back the cuticle and do the normal steps of like the etching the surface and the primer and dehydrate and stuff like that. But I'm not doing all of that. I'm just going to push back the cuticle, and then I'm etch the surface a little bit, and then apply the peel off solution. I don't know if solution is the right word, but stuff. The peel off stuff. How about that? And then I'm going to let it dry. But I will say this. That peel off stuff really, really works. So, like, I would say it's good for, like, if you're in nail school or something. It is, but it isn't. Because when I say it works, it works. So, it's kind of hard when you want to go filing because it'll pop off. Like, it's hard for me to, I use it to this day. Like, if I'm doing nails on my hand for like a YouTube video, I don't want them to stay, and it's really hard for me to shake because when I say that stuff work. Yes, baby. So just a FYI, if you want to get it, I think it was $15 from Amazon. I have a link down below. Oh, and by the way, if you made it this far in the video, I'm gonna need you to go ahead, go in the comment section and leave some purple hearts. Yes, purple hearts. Okay, and if you don't want to do purple hearts, go ahead and do like hashtag let's be homegirls. Yes. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna put on the tips. These tips I got from Amazon. Listen, I'm the Amazon queen. I just get everything from Amazon. I know I'm not the only one. I don't know by myself, but okay. Anyways, I'm gonna apply the tips now. This was kind of, it was kind of hard, but not really because one, he was so I don't want to say excited, like he's like not like that, but he was like amazed, like, oh my gosh, I got tips on, like, oh my gosh, girl. Like, we don't judge him, don't look at him differently. He's still a manly man, okay? Anyways, he's gonna get so mad at me if he watches this video, like, why did you say I was excited to get nails on? I'm like, cause you kind of were, duh. And he was like, no, I wasn't, Asia. I was just there to support you. It's okay, babe. It's okay. You're not gay. You're not. I know you're not, but it's okay if you were excited. Something new in life. That's what I'm gonna say when he hears this. If he hears this, so we gotta keep it between us, okay? Okay. Anyways, after I put on the tips for all the nails, I shape them, and then after I shape, you. So normally after you put your tips on, you shape, then you will do the dehydrator, and then you do the primer, and then you break out your acrylic or whatever else that you do and apply. And actually, technically speaking, I did do that for my last video or second to last video on the ombre. That's actually on him. This is the other video. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you got to do a 2-for-1 special. Yes. Seeing that my client canceled on me, I was like, that's fine. That's fine. Babe, I need your hand. I need to do 2 videos. And he said, okay, if this is going to help support you, I'll do it. I was like, oh, you're just the greatest husband. So, you guys, you can do this. You can do this. We can do it together. You know what I'm saying? Like, 2 is better than 1 in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? And if you don't have a spouse, that's fine. Use your best friend. Get somebody. Just do 2 videos in 1. Okay? Okay. I just want you guys to know that it's possible. Make your situation work for what you got. Because I was really salty, and it was like, honestly, truth be told, the client, she said that she was gonna come. I messaged her an hour before she was gonna come, and I kid you not, 10 minutes before she was supposed to be here, she canceled. And I was salty. I'm like, why? But it was like, okay. I was like, can you please, 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 please? And I was like, this is what I'm telling my husband. I'm like, can you please, 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 please? And I just got some pillow stuff from Amazon, so it's not going to stick. Please, 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 please. Because he didn't want to do the soak off process because he was like, that's entirely too long. And the whole peel off stuff convinced him. And that's how I did it, y'all. I know. But that's basically it that I do for a home-based nail tech. I'll do the nails and all that good stuff, and I'll have them go upstairs, wash their hands. After I wash their hands, and they pay me and they go on about their day. That's literally what my life is as a home-based nail tech. I honestly hope that you guys were able to get something from this video. And I will see you guys on the next one. And if you guys find this video interesting, or, you like my personality, whatever it may be, just feel free to tell me that, 2, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill, okay? And I will see you guys on the next video. Toodles, farewell. Hasta mañana. Is that how I say it? Well, how does it terminate? Hasta la vista, baby. Yeah. Peace out.